Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply visa on arrival for Nepal. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your orders. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, what it is like. You fill the application here and you get your receipt ready. Once you arrive at the port of entry, you can use that to uh, get your visa. So that's what we are going to do. So in front of you, I've opened this official Nepali port. They have this option, visa on arrival. So select your port of entry. I selected Tribhuvan International Airport. Okay. Your passport country. Do it as per your case because anything you see here is sample. Visa type. I select tourist visa. Passport. Date of birth. This should be also as per your case. Proceed. Okay. Personal info. Do it as per your case, guys, as I say. Whatever you see here is just sample. Contact number, email. The application form they will send here also so that you can access it. Passport, expiry date. If you have more than one passport, you can click on this. I mean, other country passport. Otherwise, you can proceed. Then it's gonna asking for visa option. Purpose of visa. I selected tourism, whatever it is. Last airport. Let's say coming through Thailand. Okay. Flight number. Wow. Your whole address in Nepal. Maybe if you booked hotel, you already have this. Contact number. I have recommendation letter for free visa I want to apply. If these are applicable to you. Otherwise, proceed. Now you need to verify your details and you're gonna confirm. So it will generate a slip that you can use when you arrive there to get your visa. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.